Hello everybody, this is Ace Tech, and I'd like to do a product review from a purchase from TEMU. It is the Lawnmower Blade Sharpener. It's really simple to use. It has a groove right here. You place the blade in that groove and you turn your drill and it sharpens the blade, as I will demonstrate. You take your Lawnmower Blade Sharpener. See the groove there? You run your blade right into there. Press your drill bit on and it automatically sharpens while you pull the blade through there on a consecutive basis, and it will sharpen your blade. So, let me demonstrate. You take your unit, you place it inside the chuck of the drill, you tighten down your drill, make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, you test it. Make sure it's rotating clockwise, not counterclockwise. Clockwise. Okay. You take your blade, and I'm going to show you how dull it is right now. See that? Horrible, right? Other side. Very bad. This blade has never been sharpened. Okay. And now I'm going to run it in the groove that I stated. Turn it on and go back and forth with the unit. And just that easily and fast, it's already sharpened the blade. I'd like to do it a couple of times over. You can see it getting shiny. You can see it getting shiny. That shine means that it's sharpened. Of course, you do both sides. You should wear gloves doing this. Okay, then you turn your blade over and you do the other side. Doesn't take long to do. Look at that shine. Other side, look at that shine. From the dullness that you saw to the nice and sharpness that you have now. And of course I could continue, but it's really not necessary. It's really sharp as a whip already. And that's it. And that is, look at this cut. If you can see it there, look at that. From dull to nice and sharp. Of course, I do have the other side. I already did the other side. From dull to nice and sharp. Best investment you could ever make for your lawnmower blade. And there you go. I've done both sides. Nice and shiny. Nice sharp blade now to cut the grass. And that is the demonstration of the Lawnmower Blade Sharpener. Simple and very inexpensive purchase. by your #1 provider on the internet for gadgets, TEMU. This has been Ace Tech for products by TEMU. Thank you.